Good morning, everyone. Welcome back into North Dakota today. Well, it's important to stay on top of your health, and today Apex Physical Therapy and Wellness Center has stopped by to talk about an important workshop happening next week out in West Fargo. Joining us from Apex are Cameron Irie Hodum and Kyle Jandro. Good morning, you two.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, welcome back to the show. So we know that you guys are great at rehabbing a lot of different orthopedic conditions at Apex, but you have an event coming up specifically focusing on the knee joint. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, Apex is teaming up with Dakota and putting on our knee pain workshop. What it is it's a free workshop for the community to come learn a little bit more about knee pain. It is next Tuesday, February 27th from 6 to 7 at our West Fargo clinic, just off of 9th Street East and West 13th Avenue in West Fargo. Like I said, a place for everybody to come learn about knee pain, free clinic. A few of the Apex physical therapists will be there, giving a quick presentation on some drivers of knee pain, and hopefully get some willing participants to examine them quick, see what PT is kind of like, and then giving people some tips and tricks for their knee pain management.
Yeah, exciting.
Yeah.
So who would you really recommend to come out to this event?
Well, I think everybody should go because the information's great.
Yeah.
But certainly, if you're dealing with knee pain or have a loved one that's dealing with knee pain, it's a perfect place to come learn. Knee pain is very common. It can be quite confusing. At times, there's a lot of drivers of our knee symptoms. Potentially, maybe it's age-related changes within your knee joint, soft tissue injuries. It could be inside the joint, outside. Sometimes, like, the pain's not even coming directly from the knee. Hips weak, ankles weak, and you throw knee pain into Dr. Google or something like that, and you'll get some of the things I mentioned, along with a laundry list of other diagnoses.
Yep.
And it'd be frustrating to kind of weed through that and really understand what you're dealing with specifically. So tying back to this clinic, this workshop, come learn about it, get the information that's a little more specific to you, and find some strategies to really help with those symptoms. And if it is something that you feel is appropriate for you and you do feel like signing up, we do ask that you register for the clinic. You can scan the QR code on our flyer or reach us at Apex phone, or we'll get you the right information to get you signed up for the workshop, and know that registration is not needed as well. So if you're kind of like me and
Last minute.
It is tonight, that's right, I want to go to that, go ahead and come out to a clinic, but otherwise, yeah, we'd appreciate it if you register.
Yeah, definitely. So what about the folks who maybe can't make it out to the event but are still interested in getting some of that knowledge?
Yeah, I think we always offer free screenings at all of our locations. So 15-minute screening. Call any of our offices if you have a particular clinic that is most ideal for you. They can call and we can do a one-on-one screening for 15 minutes, and you can schedule that. Of course, we want to help everybody through the weeds of what he talked about. That Dr. Google gives you so much information. And us PTs, we're the movement experts, and we can help weed through that and find out what's going on for you. This event is great because it's maybe not so intimidating. You got a group of people. It's very communal, so it'll be a really nice experience to see that you're not alone and see other people's issues too.
Yeah, absolutely. So how about if you'd like to see if Apex can help you with something other than knee pain?
Well, we're the movement experts, right?
Yep.
So this workshop is targeting knee pain and knee issues, but of course, any other issues that are related to orthopedics, any other joint pain, spine pain. We also have a great pelvic health team and a women's health team that treat a lot of those conditions. Any neurological type conditions, vestibular problems, concussions, sports injuries, all those things. Anything that requires movement, which is a lot of our body.
Yep.
The whole body needs to move, right?
Yes.
So we can help.
Yeah, absolutely. So looking forward to this event, what are you both most excited for?
I just like helping people, you know, give them the information, give them a little guidance for just management of their knee symptoms, you know, because a lot of times people come see us, can't care for their kids or specifically like grandchildren for some recent patients that I've had, and you know, their quality of life is not quite what they want it to be. So I'm excited about giving them the information that they can use to help improve that.
Yeah.
I think for me, it's exposing people to what we do, exposing people to options that can empower themselves to take control of issues that are stopping them from living their best life, right? So the more that we can expose physical therapy, the better healthier community we're gonna have. So that always excites me, to get new people that have never had PT before.
Yeah, and it must be so, rewarding for you both seeing those results for your patients as well.
It's the best.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
I think for us, we deal with it every day, so sometimes you forget how much you can help. But when you see the face of, wow, that really changed, it kind of makes our days,
Yeah,
right?
certainly.
Yeah, absolutely. So remind our audience one more time of the details of this event.
Yeah, it's Tuesday, February 27th from 6 to 7 at our West Fargo location in right off of 13th Avenue, as Kyle's talked about. You can call any of our offices and they can get you signed up, or scan the QR code and get registered.
Wonderful. Well, thank you both so much for joining us this morning.
Thanks.
Yes, thank you.
Yes. All right, everyone stick around, because coming up next, we're talking about the 9th annual Coffee and Cocoa Crawl this weekend. Stay tuned.